Welcome to this new episode of our podcast dedicated to technological innovations and best practices for designing, industrializing, and producing your hardware product. Today we're going to talk about creating a proof of concept or POC, which should be clearly distinguished from a more advanced prototype. First of all, define a precise and limited objective, whether it's an innovative feature, a technology, an algorithm, or even commercial appeal. The idea is not to try to cover too many cases. Your POC should focus on demonstrating the key concept rather than all aspects of the future product. Second tip, use only the minimal resources and technologies necessary. Choose simple or existing tools such as frameworks, libraries, or platforms that reduce development time and effort. Be pragmatic. The purpose of the POC is not to be optimized for performance or usability, but to prove technical feasibility. Third tip, involve stakeholders from the very beginning. Make sure the team, decision makers, or clients fully understand the logic behind the POC and share the vision to be validated. Invite them to provide immediate feedback on the idea rather than on implementation details or design. Fourth point, document and measure the results. Identify and assess simple indicators such as response time, algorithm accuracy, or the feasibility of integration with existing systems. Clearly note any difficulties encountered, such as technical limitations or architectural constraints, so that you can decide on the next steps. Finally, draw conclusions and plan the next steps. At the end of the POC, determine whether the idea is technically viable, if it requires adjustments, or if it should be abandoned. If the concept is promising, you can then consider a more complete prototype, including aesthetic design, ergonomics, and large-scale performance. By staying focused on the technical objective of the proof of concept, you can ensure that the POC serves as a lightweight and quick milestone to assess feasibility before committing more resources to a more advanced project. Thank you for listening to us. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share them with us. See you soon for a new podcast.